Alright, we are back with another pimple popping video. Today we'll be checking out my massive underarm boil exploded around 11 minutes for real gross out pimple popper. So yeah, well, I guess we're gonna start the video and then see how far into it, and then we're probably gonna skip to the 11-minute mark. But we shall see. If you don't already know, as of right now, this is a part of the super secret members only live stream, recording live stream. So if you're in here, welcome in. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoy it so far. But if you're not, if you see this on YouTube, you can join the members list from my channel if you want to, I guess, be a part of these super secret members only recordings. But yeah, let's jump right into the video and let's see what they have for us. And it looks like a massive one. All right, let's see. Ooh, I kind of just want him just to like cut that open. And it looks, hold on, that looks super hard. Is that essentially just a cork on top? Has he messed with this before? And it like just hardened on the top? Because it doesn't look like that's not coming out. It looks like another piece kind of popped out. Look at the size of the ball that it has. It looks like there's another one right there, to be honest. Yeah, that looks like just hard gunk. Alright, I like the fact that he has his tools. I don't know if he should probably be doing this by himself, but alright. I guess if it needs to get popped, it needs to get popped, right? It looks and sounds like it hurts. To be fair, this is what my my boil looked like that was under my arm. It wasn't like all this, I don't know what that like white stuff is on top of it. But like if you were to just look at this part and not this part, it was legit. It was super red like this. And it was massive. I wonder if that's just his skin and that's all the stuff like at the top. I don't know where he put that, and I don't know if he even disinfected that. That's always fun, right? Hey man, I'm gonna be honest, you just need to get in there and squeeze it. Alright, so we skipped ahead just a tad bit to 11 minutes. He was kind of just like playing with it the entire time. He wasn't really squeezing it. He kind of got a little bit out. It looks like he got the scabbing on top out. But other than that, you didn't miss anything. So, but if you do want to see the full video, it'll be down in the description below. Oh! Oh! There we go. That's what I was talking about. That's what we were missing. She's in the background like, what is going on? What is going on? Look at her face. Hold on, look at her face. Look at her face. Look at her face. Oh, man. Well, you know what? I'm glad he's in the bathroom. Oh, look at it. Just leaking down. Wait. Did he just wipe the floor with that same napkin and wipe his arm? Tell me he didn't, right? So he wipes right here. The same napkin is still in his hand. I think he wiped with the same napkin that he just wiped the floor with. Tell me he didn't do that. Tell me he didn't do that, right? He didn't do that, right? I'm a little concerned by the fact that he wiped the floor and didn't wipe his arm. Just saying. All right, I need you to get back in there. Look how red and swollen it is. Jeez. Probably should have shaved some of those hairs down around it. Oh, look at it. It's still coming out. Oh, he's literally shaking. It's so painful. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's just flowing out like milk. It's literally flowing out into this hand like milk. He's gonna have a handful of greatness. Oh. Mmm. Yummy. Oh, look at that. It's literally just. And I kid you not, like, this has to be some of the worst places to have a pimple. It hurts so bad, or a boil. It literally just looks like a big ball just sitting under his skin, filled with ketchup and mustard and mayonnaise. Yeah, and that's why I think he should have gotten the hair out so he wouldn't have like gunk all in his hair. Look at it. It's like on his hand. Oh, look at it. Oh, he's about to throw up. He's about to throw up. All right, we got one more video for you. I'm not even going to attempt to say this, but you see the name and you see the video owner. But looks like a really nice pimple cyst on someone's leg. Oh no, that's someone's back. Oh, on someone's back. Oh, oh. I couldn't end the last video, because I had to cut a lot of that out. So I didn't want to end it on like a short video. So I saw this one pop up on my feed, and this looks absolutely insane. Look at that. It's literally like a cork just sitting on top. Oh! Oh! Yo, what is all this? What is that? That was, you know what? That was actually really good. Like, look at this. This is beautiful. That is great. But you know what, ladies and gentlemen? You know how we're dealing with a professional at-home pimple popper? Look at the gloves. Look at the stove. We're in the kitchen, popping, popping pimples. There's a dog somewhere. Somewhere. Oh, look. Like in slow mo, that just makes it 1,000 times better, right? That's actually insane. Like look, like just look how red and swollen that is, and it looks like there's so much more underneath. But I'm assuming it's probably just a bunch of ketchup. Oh wait, nope, it's not. Look at that. That might be the sack, right? I'm assuming that's probably the sack. Oh, look at that. Oh, you literally look at his skin bulge, like trying to get it all out. So I'm assuming that's the remnants of the sack about to come out. Like look. His skin is literally bulging to try to get it out. I think they may need to widen the hole just a tad bit so they can get it all out. But if not, I assume they're probably gonna break it up into pieces. Oh yeah, there it goes. Look at that. Oh, like everything just looks so thick and nasty. Oh, that looks like a bandage. Looks like they had a bandage on top of it. Look. Literally, the sack looks like it's just hanging out. Now they're gonna have to get tweezers and just pick it up. I've learned a lot in my professional YouTube dermatology watching non-licensed licensed video watching. I've learned a lot. Look, it's still kind of coming out. Yeah, it looks like there's like a something right there. Yeah, I think that's the last bit. Oh, I think that's the last bit. Oh, please don't touch that with no glove. All right, that was a really good one. That was a really good one. That was insane. All right. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Do not forget that I will be going live 7/14, or what's July 14th, 2024 at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, that's July 14th, 2024, uh, 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. So grab your popcorn, grab your drinks, get ready for a massive live stream tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace. All right.